Hello, everyone! Do you want to renew your home for the fall, but don't know where to start? Decorating for the season is exciting, but it's easy to fall into typical mistakes that can make your room appear cluttered or out of date. Whether it's overdoing the fall decor, ignoring outside spaces, or adhering to the same old color palette, these blunders might keep your home from fully shining this season. In this post, we'll walk you through the greatest decorating traps for fall 2024 and show you how to avoid them, ensuring your room feels warm, trendy, and inviting as the cool weather arrives. Conflicting styles. When decorating for the fall, it is essential to be in line with your home's current design. A common mistake is integrating features that conflict with your existing design. For example, incorporating rustic autumn touches inside a slick modern home can create a disconnected atmosphere. Instead, choose fall decorations that fit your home's overall style. If your room is minimalist, choose clean-lined, understated fall decorations. Consider using earthy tones and textures in boho houses to accentuate the calm vibe. Traditional homes can incorporate classic fall elements, such as warm-toned wreaths and vintage-inspired decor. The trick is to accentuate the season without sacrificing your home's original decor, ensuring that everything flows together seamlessly. Leaving outdoor spaces undecorated. Your outdoor space is one of the first things guests notice, so be sure to include it in your fall decorating plans. Adding seasonal touches outside not only improves curb appeal, but also creates a welcome environment for visitors. Simple yet effective decorations, such as pumpkins line the walkway, a cozy seating area draped in autumn throw blankets, or a fall-themed wreath on the front door, may quickly boost the look. Warm illumination, such as lanterns or string lights, can add a wonderful touch to early evening parties by producing a pleasant, inviting glow. These little but thoughtful touches help make your outside space an extension of your home's fall motif, ensuring that your guests feel the warmth and charm of the season before they even enter. It's a simple way to get into the fall mood while maintaining a consistent, inviting look throughout your home. Not embracing nature. Fall is the season of nature, so include natural elements in your decor. If you disregard the beauty of branches, pine cones, acorns, and fresh autumn flowers, you're missing out on a simple, low-cost method to bring the season home. These objects provide warmth and sincerity without appearing manufactured or overdone. Overlooking scent and sound. Ignoring scent and sound, decor is more than just what you see. It also includes what you smell and hear. A typical error is to overlook the ambiance generated by fall-scented candles, essential oils, or even a toasty fireplace crackling. Including these sensory aspects improves the overall cozy ambience. Soft, acoustic background music might also help to establish the tone for a pleasant evening. Neglecting practical fall maintenance. It's tempting to focus on the aesthetics of fall decorating, but practical considerations should not be overlooked. This involves preparing your home for cooler weather by inspecting windows, insulating doors, and replacing summer carpets with heavier ones. This not only keeps your home warm, but also contributes to the fall ambiance in a practical way. Avoiding these frequent blunders will allow you to build a beautifully furnished, useful, and warm space for fall 2024. Taking the theme too far. While there are several colorful signs and welcome mats with phrases like sweater weather and oh my gourd, there are more subtle ways to highlight the beauty of autumn. One of the most blunders we pose with the fall decorating is the need to emphasize the season's arrival. Instead of displaying banners that proclaim harvest or fall is here, consider making your home warmer with simple touches like layered blankets and throws, advises Diane Rath of the Rath Project. Being afraid to go moody color is essential in seasonal storytelling. Summer is generally packed with light blues, cheerful yellows, and fun corals. Fall is a little moodier. One of the best ways to ensure your fall house transitions with effect is to embrace that richer palette. Not prioritizing the focal point. Ross proposes drawing inspiration from fall foliage, including golden yellows, fiery oranges, and deep reds. If these hues are too strong for you, attempt to balance them with lighter tones. A space without a focal point drifts around, with no corner or scene to hold your attention for an extended period of time. A focal point not only enhances a room's beauty, but also serves as its anchor. A focus point is an area from which all other activities in your room radiate. A visually significant component in an open plan serves to focus attention and make the space feel more connected. A large piece of artwork, paneled walls, animated wallpapers, or a large indoor tree are all effective ways to establish a focal point in a space design. Conclusion: avoiding these typical decorating blunders can help you create a warm, efficient, and beautiful room for fall 2024. Remember that balance is essential. Don't overdo seasonal decor or conflict with your home's current style. Accept natural components, experiment with moodier fall colors, and emphasize subtle details such as soft blankets or warm lighting. Don't forget to incorporate outside spaces into your design and make practical changes to prepare for cooler weather. Above all, designate a focal point in each room to anchor your space. With these techniques, your home will seem welcoming and prepared for the fall season.